Hello students, in the previous video you learnt how to use was and were in affirmative sentences. In this video you will learn how to use was and were in negative sentences. Students, पिछले वीडियो में आपने was and were का प्रयोग affirmative sentences में सीखा. इस वीडियो में आप negative sentences में was और were का प्रयोग सीखेंगे. Students, as I have already told you that was and were are used only in past tense. Sentence structure for the negative sentences is subject plus was or were plus not plus object, and at the end full stop. In negative sentences, firstly we write subject, then we write was or were according to the subject, then not, then object, and at the end we put full stop. Students, जब हम was and were का प्रयोग negative sentences में करते हैं तो सबसे पहले subject लिखते हैं, फिर was और were को लाते हैं subject के according, फिर not लाते हैं, फिर object लाते हैं और लास्ट में full stop लगाते हैं. was किसके साथ यूज होता है? I, he, she, it और जितने सिंगुलर नाउन्स होते हैं उनके साथ was का प्रयोग होता है. were किसके साथ यूज होता है? you, we, they और जितने प्लूरल नाउन्स होते हैं उनके साथ were का प्रयोग होता है. was is used with all the singular nouns. Okay, was is used with I, he, she, it and all the singular nouns. Were is used with you, we, they and all the plural nouns. So, see the sentence structure again. Subject plus was or were plus not plus object, and at the end we put full stop. See the example. Sentence number 1 is मैं प्रसन्न नहीं था. Translation of the sentence is I was not happy. Firstly I have written subject I, then I have written was, then not for nahi, then object happy, and at that I have put full stop. And the translation is मैं प्रसन्न नहीं था. I was not happy. Second example, वह किसान नहीं था. Translation of the sentence is he was not a farmer. Firstly I have written subject he, then according to the subject I have used the helping verb was, then not for nahi, then a farmer object, and at then full stop. And the translation is वह किसान नहीं था, he was not a farmer. Now students, see the third example. हम उदास नहीं थे. Translation of this sentence is we were not sad. Firstly I have written subject we, then helping verb were, then not, then sad, then full stop. That means I have followed this sentence structure. Firstly I have written subject, then helping verb, then not, then object, and at that full stop. And the translation is हम उदास नहीं थे, we were not sad. Fourth example, वे घमंडी नहीं थे. Translation of the sentence is they were not proud. Firstly I have written subject they, then helping verb were, then not, then proud object, and under full stop. And the translation is वे घमंडी नहीं थे, they were not proud. So students, I think you have properly understood how to use was and were in negative sentences. To know the use of was and were in interrogative sentences, see the next video.